Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having lower miles with less wear and tear, loaded with features, and a fair price. Features also include keyless ignition, rear view camera, steering wheel controls, hands-free Bluetooth integration, MP3. With these ratings, make a great choice today with the 2015 Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, intermittent wipers, daytime running lights, FWD, headlights auto off, mirror memory, remote trunk release, trip computer, child safety locks, power door locks. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.